Welcome to Chakwa International. I am Neela Madhujana speaking. This is some questions collected from examination conducted in different in India related to civil service preliminary exams. So we collected for the better performance in coming preliminary. This contains polity 50 questions and history 50 questions. And if you go through it, you may get 1 2 option in the out of 4. So it is easy to for intelligent guessing. Now the audio is different. Audio is the first phase of Indian national movement, and the Indian national movement can be divided into 3 segments. One is moderate phase 1885 to 1905, extreme phase 1905 to 1919, and Gandhian phase 1919 to 1947. Then what are the factors responsible for the growth of Indian nationalism? What are the factors? First factor, impact of British rule. Second factor, political unity of India. Third factor, establishment of peace and administrative unification of India. Fourth factor, development of rapid means of transport and communication. Fifth factor, introduction of modern education. Sixth factor, emergence of modern press. Seventh factor, the rise of middle class intelligentsia. Then impact of contemporary European movement. Then progressive character of the socio-religious movement. Then racism. Then economic exploitation. Then Lord Lytton reactionary policies. And the most important, Ilbert Bill controversy, which told Indian jurists cannot try the British person. That Ilbert Bill controversy. So these are the factors. So these are the result really showed us so many small organizations created. Ultimately one organization, Indian National Congress, by Octavian Hume in 1885. The first phase was 1885 to 1905. These are known as moderate phase. They prefer constitutional agitation for demanding reform. And that they have adopted 3 methods. One is prayer, press, and protest. Prayer, press, protest. So only educated mass is involved, and this common mass were not involved. Not expected also, because first phase India is not that much associate mass with the intelligence. So it was limited to only to the intelligent people. The demand civil rights of the Indians in council, reduction in administrative and military expenditure, Swarajya within the British crown, and stop economic drain. What they achieved? They create a wide national awakening. That is the most important. They create awareness among the masses. They popular the idea of democracy. They export the exploitative character of British supremacists. Drain theory adopted by the Dadabhai Naroji. Then my achievement, the Public Service Commission established in 1886. Public Service was established in 1886, and enacted Indian Council at 1892, which gives some power for discussion in the council. They succeed start simultaneous exams of Indian civil service in London and India. Appointment of Welby Commission on Indian expenditure. Moderates have however failed because they could not realize their objective, but the main objective is to create awareness among the masses, with response for second phase, the third phase of Indian national agitation, will result in freedom for India 1947, August 15th. A second phase, extreme phase, this is due to Lal Balpal, and the third phase is completely dominated by Gandhian under the leadership of Gandhian policies. So with this presentation is finished. If you like, please subscribe it, put the bell icon. Again, this presentation will continue up to September 30. After that, it continuously depends upon the viewership on YouTube, Chakwa International. Thank you. If you like, please subscribe it.